Good afternoon, Steve from All Star Case Breaks. We're doing Optic Mega 2018 for Craig. Good luck. Craig, you want all the base shipped on these? Both this and the Bowman Chrome. Oh, there you go. Lamar, rated rookie Chrome. Rookie Threads, Mason Rudolph. James Washington. Vic Beasley, Trayvon Edmonds. Legends Eric Dickerson, Bo Scarborough. Mika Fitzpatrick. Luke Falk, Ian Thomas, Ronald Jones Bronze, Kurt Benkert Bronze, Aiden Hurst, Wentz, Schultz, John Kelly, Bronze rated rookie auto. Cortland Sutton rookie. Richie James rookie. Craig, nice box. Let me go grab a case of Bowman Chrome. I'll be right back.